Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Summer is almost here, and when the weather starts getting warmer, I really get in the mood for smoothies. I'm not really a smoothie person when it's cold out, but when it starts getting warm, oh, I crave smoothies. Today I'm going to show you an amazing low-fat cherry vanilla power smoothie. If you're new to my channel, I am a plant-based RN, and I follow a low-calorie density way of eating, which is low-fat and high-carb. Whole food carbs, that is, like potatoes, rice, beans. Lots of green veggies, no oil, very simple. And on my channel, you will find recipes that are exactly that, low-calorie density, and they are also gluten-free because I do have celiac. So even if you don't have a gluten sensitivity or celiac like I do, you can definitely modify them to use like whole wheat flours or wheat ingredients. It's not a problem. If that all sounds good to you, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chew on Vegan, and I also have a Facebook group if you feel like you need a little bit more support. I also wanted to let you know that on my Etsy store, where I have a t-shirt line, all my t-shirts are 25% off while supplies last. I will leave a link to my store in the description box below. So let's get started on that smoothie. To make this smoothie, it's all gonna go into a Vitamix or a blender, whatever you have. And I already have half a frozen banana in here. I let it thaw out a little bit. And then I have a cup of, I'm gonna be using these dark sweet cherries that I got at Trader Joe's. So just a cup of those. And then for the vanilla part of it, I'm using my Arbonne vanilla protein shake mix. This is by far the best protein powder that I've ever had. So 2 scoops of that. I'll leave a link for this in the description box below. Then I always add a bunch of greens to whatever kind of smoothie I make. So this time I'm adding spinach. You could add kale, you could add romaine lettuce, whatever you like as your green. So I'm gonna put a good handful in there, and you're not even gonna taste it. Then we're gonna add about 9 ounces of water, and this is how we're gonna be making this more low fat. If you wanted a higher fat, you could use plant milk like soy milk or almond milk, but I wanna keep this as low fat as possible, so I am just going to be using water. And then I just blend it up. If you wanted to add ice, you could do that as well, but I've got the frozen cherries and the frozen bananas, so it'll be cold enough. And then I'm just gonna whip this up. So here's our cherry vanilla power smoothie. This is great after a workout. This is great for a breakfast. I take this to work with me. I usually have my breakfast around 10:30, so I just make it before I leave. I put it in a little shaker cup and I take it to work and then stick it in the fridge. And at about 10:30, I have my morning smoothie. That is so good. It's refreshing, it's light. You've got that protein from the vanilla powder and the fiber from the fruit and the spinach. Get your iron from the spinach, so it's a really great all-around drink. I wanted to mention some of the health benefits of dark cherries. They're loaded with fiber, vitamin C, anti-inflammatory properties, lots of antioxidants. Fruits with dark colors have a lot more antioxidants like blueberries and the dark cherries. They've also been associated with improved heart health, boosting recovery after a workout, and improving the symptoms of arthritis and gout. And this is not a full complete list. So cherries are a great fruit to add to your smoothies. Thanks for joining me today and watching this short and sweet little video on one of my favorite smoothies. I hope you give it a try. And I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Check out my Etsy store. I've got a great sale going on right now, 25% off of all my t-shirts. And remember that what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you. Which is low fat and high carb. Whole carbs. I also wanted to let you know that on my at my Etsy store, I have Okay, enough with your little boing. Oh, I've been recording this whole time. So here is our cherry. Let's try that again. Insert this in the video somewhere. I don't know where, but oh my God.